Today, the College of Community Science at Sansang de Tura is celebrating its 22nd Foundation Day. Started in 2004 at Coal India building with only 10 students. Today we have around 150 students at the UG undergraduate level and more than 20 students, 15 students at the postgraduate level. The program, the BSc Honours Community Science, along with that we are offering food nutrition and dietetics, and today we have PG programs in almost all the subjects, in 4 different subjects, and PhD in food nutrition and dietetics. Our students and alumni, they are well placed. Either they go for higher education or they are absorbed in state governments, and they are many of them are bureaucrats and entrepreneurs and earning well for their livelihoods. Since the agriculture universities in the country, they focus not only on teaching and producing graduates, we also focus on quality research as well as outreach programs leading to communities, developed livelihood security in the communities. Here, being in the Garo Hills, only college in the northeast region under Central Agriculture University, the college is catering to doing research, outstanding research to solve the first grassroots level problems, and outreach programs collaborating with all the line departments, so that we have many successful success stories in the Garo Hill region. This today's day was not only the foundation day, we also had the valedictory program of the college week, which started on 18th of this month. Today we had the valedictory session of the college week, and also the valedictory session of 7 skill development training programs funded by the MSRLS of the government of Meghalaya. The 4 training programs in bakery and confectionaries and 3 training programs in FMCGs, fast moving consumer products, have been carried out, and over 225 women SHG members are trained, and the certificates are distributed successfully. We also had a Mela, a heart-like thing here outside the district auditorium in Tura, wherein the beneficiaries of various programs who have started producing, who have started their own business, have got their products here to sell, and we have provided them a platform to sell their products so that their confidence in any startup will be boosted. Moving further, we want to excel in teaching, research as well as outreach activities, so that more families, more communities, more societies are empowered to live a sustainable livelihood. Moving further with academic excellence and with these outreach programs, I just want my college to be the #1 college in the country.